This guy just launched like a rocket. This move is a high-speed, advanced stand-up wheelie. The rider controls throttle and body balance with precision. That thick white smoke from the exhaust shows high rev combustion pressure. It's common in modified exhaust systems and often means extra power. Entering a turn on one wheel demands extreme throttle control and lean angle precision. It's a risky maneuver only mastered by expert stunt riders. This wheelie requires perfect balance between the bike's center of gravity and the balance point. Throttle and brake must sync with precision. This is pure speed testing reflexes and shift timing.